Hi, first grader. So today we are going to learn about the SL blend. SL says sl. Remember last week we learned about the CL blend, cl. Do you see something that is the same with these two blends? Sl, cl. I hear ul and I see L in both of these blends. So today we're going to focus on the SL blend. Sl. Say that with me. Sl. Sl. Good. The pictures I show you and the words we're going to say start with sl. Okay? So we are going to practice saying these words. We're going to practice seeing SL. Remember, it's a blend. 2 letters, 2 sounds. Sl. Okay, let's read and let's recognize. What is this? What's on his head? Slime. Do you see SL? Sl. What is his arm in? A sling. Sling. Do you see SL? Read it with me. Sling. You can touch it on your screen. What's that? Sleeve. Sleeve. What is this? A sloth. Sloth. Do you see how the SL blend is in all of these words? Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? It's at the beginning of all of these words. Sl. What is that? It looks like a slice. Slice. Say it with me. Slice. What's this? Have you ever seen one before? This is a sled. Sled. Uh-oh. This person is taking a slip. Slip. It looks like it is slippery. Say that with me. Slip. And what are these? I think you know what these are. Slippers. Slippers. What is that? It is a slope. That means it goes down. It's a slope. What's this? I think you've seen one of these before. Say it. Slide. A slide. Good. What's this? I think Santa rides in this. A sleigh. A sleigh. And what is that? Now, before you say snail, I want you to think. Does snail have sl in it? I hear s, but I don't hear ul, because we're looking for the sl blend in this word. What is it? Slug. Slug. And that is all. Practice these SL blends, and I promise you, you will see SL everywhere. Look for them in your everyday life.